In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your HubSpot account in just a few minutes. Keep in mind, this action is irreversible, so be certain before proceeding. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to HubSpot.com. Click Login in the top right corner and enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, locate your profile picture in the top right corner and click it to open the drop-down menu. Select Account and Billing, where you'll find various account settings. Scroll through the options until you find Delete Account. Click it, read the warnings carefully, and if you're sure, confirm by clicking Delete Account. You may be asked to re-enter your password to verify your identity. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation that your account has been deleted. If not, contact HubSpot support for assistance. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your HubSpot account. Remember to back up any important data before proceeding. Thanks for watching.